Hi everyone, it's Lisa here for Honeybee Stamps. In this video, I'm sharing a pretty simple birthday card with you. Now, today is National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day, and it's my birthday. Since we can't really go anywhere, we're stuck at home. I was joking around with my husband and said, I'll just make my own birthday card so you'll have something to give to me. And so here we go. We're literally going to make my birthday card. Now, I decided since it was National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day and my birthday, I would mesh the two together, and I came up with this birthday card. I'm using a piece of cake stamps and dies, the background builder stamp set, and the Be Bold alphabet dies. And I've already placed a piece of 80-pound cardstock in my MISTI, and I'm going to stamp these images using Malibu ink for the cake plate, desert sand for the cake, and angel pink for the strawberry. So this color inspiration actually came. I Googled peanut butter and jelly cake, and there was a peanut butter and jelly cake, which I knew they existed. I'd seen them before, but sitting on this beautiful cake plate that's like this minty aqua kind of color. So I was like, oh, inspiration, let's go with it. So BG11 on that cake plate with a little bit of BG13 to darken up a few of those areas, and N0 right around the foot of the plate. So the icing on the cake, of course, is going to be peanut butter buttercream frosting. And I used E30, E31, and E33 for the icing. And then for the cake, I used R81, R83, and R85 because it's strawberry cake. And then the little strawberry, I also used R81, R83, R85, and then hit it up with a little bit of green on the stem. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and run all of these pieces through my Sidekick with the coordinating dies. I do cut 2 extra plates for stacking. And now that I have all the pieces laid out here, I'm going to use my own point glue and go ahead and stack these plates together. So I did go ahead and decide to stamp that cute little bow because, hello, I want a tag on my cake plate. So I used London Fog and then I ran it through the Sidekick. Now I've added mounting foam to the back of the cake plate and that slice of cake. And I placed that slice of cake on the back side of the cake plate and held those together with mounting foam. So um, I actually end up not using that little tag right there. I'm going to make another one with angel pink and a funny little thing at the end that I'll share with you. I can't help it. I'm tickled. Okay, so I'm stamping stripes on this background. Now, this background stumped me for a quick second. I'm telling you, I was like, what am I going to do with this? And then I remembered, oh, wait, I have the background builder stamp set. So I was like, stripes in the same colors that I colored the cake would be great, right? So I went with it. It worked out. I think it did. And I'm even going to do a little bit of has that cute little scallop line stamp in that stamp set. So I went with that also, changing the colors up. Okay, so here's where we're at. I'm just, you know, messing around with this, trying to get a feel for what I want to do, where I'm going to position everything. And once I decide what I'm going to do, then I'm going to go ahead and start stamping the sentiments. Now I'm going to stamp a piece of cake from the stamp set using VersaFine Onyx Black ink. And I'm not going to use that and off of that sentiment, but I'm going to use all the rest of it. So, and then I'm going to just go ahead and trim those down a little bit with my paper trimmer because I'm actually going to come in and fussy cut those, which is a rare thing for me. I mean, it's like spotting a white deer if you see me fussy cutting because I don't like fussy cutting. So I'm going to add mounting foam to the back of those and then go ahead and start placing them on the card there. Now I need some sparkle. Okay. 50, I need some sparkle. So I decided that I would add some copper glitter paper. And I just ran that through my die cut machine with the PBJ from the Be Bold alphabet dies. Love those. That's the first alphabet dies I ever purchased, and I absolutely love them. So here we have our PBJ in some copper glitter paper. Loving it. It actually goes pretty good with the frosting on that cake. So I want to go ahead and finish off this sentiment here. So I'll have all the words lined up there, and I added a little bit of double mounted foam onto that, and then some glue to go ahead and lay it over the J so that it reads, all you need is a piece of PBJ cake. So, in honor of National Peanut Butter and Jelly Cake Day and my birthday. So, here's a quick look at my birthday card. Okay, so I'm going to finish that off with the Aurora Lights confetti mix and a little bit of glue. So I believe that's going to bring us to the end of this video. Now, notice the tag on the card there. Happy birthday to me. What can I say? Thanks for joining me today. I hope you'll click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of new content to the channel. For more information about the products used, head over to the Honeybee Stamps website, and I hope you have an amazing day.